Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your English instructor, Hasnain. Happy Ramadan once again. And today we are going to be doing a sequel of one of our famous videos that you people gave me really good feedbacks about. Some people had some kind of small problems, but those problems are regarding them like internet problems, etc. For those people, there are some other apps that I will show you people in the future, but currently the best app that I showed you was Talk English. If you haven't watched that video, go watch and check out that video if you haven't, so go watch that. Today once again I'm with you people, and today I've brought another app for you people. So first of all, I'd like to talk about that why is English speaking and English learning so important and vital for society in today's era. Because if you watch in the present, everything is getting into English. Now this is not the fact. Lots of people think that all American people know English. No, they don't. There are Dutch people in America. There are multiple different societies in America. European people think that they know how to speak English, every one of them. Some people think in Pakistan that they are natives of it, but no, they also learn it. Nowadays, this language is not actually like native to any country anymore. It's for all countries vital. But actually, it was native to British. But currently, it's not native to most countries. Most countries, people speak it, but they aren't natives to it because this wasn't their language. Their ancestors started speaking it when they got in touch with the British. So, let me go a bit further and elaborate these things. Now, English is very important nowadays because this is that connection wire that connects the batteries to the bulb. If you don't connect these, so this won't work. It's like that batteries are, for example, the knowledge, and that bulb, you are the bulb. If you don't get knowledge, you won't shine, you won't be on the top, you won't shine, you won't have glory, you won't light up. But if you have that information, knowledge, if you have that, all of those things around you, and if you are connected to those things, so that's how you will shine, that's how you will get on the top. But here, the manual that we are going to be using for different type of batteries. Now, there are multiple types of batteries. Small batteries, AA batteries, the big one, the giant one batteries. For every one of them, we will use wires, and those wires can be called languages. Languages are a manual to learn languages that can help us to learn different information, different knowledge. Every single language is actually just like a treasure. It's just like a key. When you learn a language, you get a key to a treasure. When you open that treasure, there is information in the shape of luck, gold. That is in the shape of information, knowledge. The more languages you learn, the more you will get better. And my grandmother tells me that the only thing I'll elaborate in Urdu कि जितने स्किल आप सीख सकते हो अपने साथ अपनी टोकरी में ले जाओ, क्योंकि स्किल दुनिया की वो वाहिद चीज़ है that doesn't has any disadvantages. It always gives you advantages. If it doesn't has advantage, it is good actually. You can show off a bit with your friends, etc. Skills are cool. Like you can show it to your friends that I can do these things, etc. But other than them, they are actually nowadays important, like learning English. If you learn English, you will be able to scan the internet. You'll be able to learn different information from the internet. Internet is like that big book, but you don't know how to decode that book. If you don't know, you cannot read it. It means you don't have any information. But when you learn English, it means you decode that book, and when you decode it, you get a lot of knowledge if that's regarding anything, any kind of thing. So the app that we are going to be talking about here is Hello English. Now, this wasn't technically like that top tier one because I don't use it a lot. I use some other app. I'll show you people in the front because these are really cool apps, the two other ones that I'm going to show you people. Now, Hello English. This is now not specific to any kind of subject or any kind of skill. It's not specific. Like, for example, the Talk English was specific to conversation, but no, this is actually general. This is an infotainment app that can help you enjoy plus learn different things. It will help you to grow with your information, to grow and learn at the same time. It will help you in multiple fields. It can help you with exercises related to writing. Not technically focused a lot about writing because how can you write on internet? Because like you don't have that pen to write on your phone, right? Now some people have S pens, etc. Not those people, but what I mean to say is that we all don't like have pens. So it's not lots about writing, but it's about reading, it's about conversation, it's about speaking. These are that vital, those type of things that are important, and you can learn it from this app. And the more you use it, the more you will get friendly with it, and the more you will get experiences with it. I do not have any kind of personal experience with this app because I don't use it. The apps that I use in my time, I'm going to show you people later, so stay tuned for those apps. So like, this is a really cool app. You guys should absolutely watch it, and you guys should absolutely subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. If you haven't watched my part 1 of this video, you should go watch that. So Hello English is that app that can help you in multiple different fields. So you can go, it's a free to use app on mobile, iOS, on both Android and iOS. You guys can download it, use it, and give me your replies for yourself. This is all for today's video. Thank you so much for being with me, and Allah Hafiz.